DIYers, it's happened to all of us. Whether there's something in our house that needs a repair or maybe even a little bit of maintenance, and we try to fix it ourselves. Except what happens when we're in the middle of a project and a problem arises? I don't really always know what to do next. It's happened to me many times, and I don't think it's a secret in my family that my husband, he's not the most handy. Well, luckily for us, there's now an app where you can not only phone a friend, but it's a repair expert. I'm so excited to hear all about this, but before we get started, let's head in and meet the Fike family.
Hey, my name's Ian Fike.
My name is Heather Fike.
And we have 2 beautiful boys, 1 on the way, 2 dogs, and we live in this awesome house.
Being a homeowner, it feels like it never ends, especially with our 2 children. It feels like we're constantly needing to repair things.
As a homeowner, I have a punch list that just never ceases to amaze me of the amount of stuff that breaks around the house. And
we've had this clogged sink, I think, since we've moved in, right? So almost 3 years ago.
If I could call someone that could walk me through how to do certain things, I would be able to do so much more around the house myself versus, having a handyman come out, which could take weeks and months sometimes.
Well, hello guys. Thank you for allowing us into your home. We appreciate it so much. It's beautiful.
Anytime.
By the way, backyard. Like, I would spend all day out there.
It's not too bad.
So let's welcome in the beautiful Ryan Goodwin. Welcome from Frontdoor.
Thank you. Thank you for having me. I'm good. I'm so happy to be here. So I also have 2 young kids. I know that, little kids and honey-do lists often go hand in hand, especially with little boys. And, dents in drywall, plumbing issues, like anything. The amazing thing about the app is that we have experts, so they're technicians that have had 15 to 20 years average experience in their field. So think HVAC, plumbing, electrical, all of these things, and they are just ready to answer your call.
I have about 10 things on my list that I could think of right now.
All right, well, let's go see it in person.
All right, let's do it.
Okay.
So I know you were telling us something about the master bath sink. What is going on?
Yeah, so it's been draining a little slow, and now it's basically clogged. So I'd really like to be able to use my sink again.
For sure. I mean, how many times do you use your master bath sink a day?
Every day.
Every day.
Yeah.
All right, this sounds like the perfect time to open the front door. Let's use the app.
All right, let's do it.
Hi, thank you for opening the front door. My name is Eric. I'll be your expert today. So we got a clog in there. It's not draining?
Yeah, it's not draining anymore.
All right, so you're going to want to loosen this nut and this nut right here.
Oh, wow, look how easy that was.
Yep, and now if you have a clog in the line, you could snake in there, or it looks like you might have something clogged in that vertical piece you took out.
That was awesome, man. Look how easy that was.
For Eric saved the day.
Eric saved the day. It's just that easy.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Eric. I look forward to using my sink again.
Alrighty, you guys have an awesome day. Thank you for
Thanks,
opening
Eric.
the front door.
Talk about how easy that was and be afraid to touch it. Like, that made me feel so comfortable. And what did it take?
Not
2
even
seconds?
2 minutes, yeah.
Yeah, and a big old thing came out. So that's the coolest thing about the app is the expert can switch your camera view with your permission. As you saw, he was using a laser to show you exactly where
cool.
to. Wasn't that cool?
I didn't expect that.
We got to go tackle another project.
Oh yeah, I have 10 more things on the punch list.
All right, how fast it was we can.
Yeah.
Let's go do it.
All right. Hey, babe.
Hey, how'd it go?
It was great. The expert was super knowledgeable and super fast, really nice, and we got it done.
These holes have been here since we moved in.
Oh, I remember you told me like 10 times now.
I'm sure they've been on the list and we just haven't gotten to them
they
yet.
keep being ignored.
Sounds like a good time to call a handy person.
right,
Let's use the app.
Let's do it. All right, Shay, so my wife here has a bunch of, this is Heather.
Hey,
Hello, Heather. How are you?
He's ready.
I'm
She's
ready
equipped.
to fix some stuff.
She's got 4 different kinds of caulk here, and she has no idea which one we should use to fix these holes. So the holes right there on the wall, you see those 2 holes?
Any type of caulking that's acrylic based that says paintable is what you want to be looking at.
Perfect.
And what we're going to do is you're kind of build it up a little bit as you're going through it.
Oh yeah, it went right into the hole, Shay.
Absolutely, that looks great. So we're going to take your damp washcloth and we're just going to kind of lightly go down and then back up.
Man, Shay's the man.
Makes it so easy. Just another repair done.
That was all you, my friend. I am simply here to guide you. Please do not hesitate to contact us for anything else you guys need.
So I gotta say, I feel like today was a very successful day. I think we got more done from your list than you guys would have in the last year, right?
Oh, that was the most productive day I've had in probably a good 6 months.
How can folks like the Fike family get started?
So Android, iPhone, just go to your app store, download the Frontdoor app. It's $25 for a year of unlimited video calls with experts.
And it really is honestly the perfect gift.
Absolutely.
And as always, if you're looking for more information, go to designingspaces.tv.